Hey guys, how you all doing? How you all doing? So I'm all excited to show you guys this. All right, so a guy called Knuckles, who's made one of the touchscreen builds skins. Also, I guess he's updated this one here. It's called the PM3-HD skin, and quite a number of builders have actually made builds on using this skin. I've seen this morning that Doomsday's made one called BK Media. So I just thought, I don't know, I've done quite a few videos on this. So I'm just going to give you some that I've done. All right, not all. Well, I haven't done all of these. I haven't done Love Jones. But anyway, let's start off. Hitman. So I first saw this skin, I don't know if it's this year or last year, and it's from the Chains repo. Didn't know much about it, but there you go. So we've got Hitman. Then Love Jones is another one, but this is from a different builder, The Realist. I've asked him for a code for this, so hopefully he'll get back to me when he wakes up, or if he has time on this busy weekend. It's a bank holiday weekend, isn't it? Yeah. And send us a code for that. But for now, you can use the Bad Boys fork for that, which is connected to it. Like I said, the great thing about this skin is that it does work on your phone or your touch screen device. So I've tested Rambo on my phone, it works, so that's great. Then we've got Knuckles. I did have a look at Love Jones. Let's go back to Love Jones. Love Jones is unique because it has the skin switcher add-on. So you can switch between the two different skins. And I think it's actually two different builds. I looked at it last night. Yeah, I think it's two different builds, but yeah, and two different skins. So that's one for you guys to try out and play about. Knuckles, I did a video about this some months ago, or last month, or the month before. I can't remember. But yeah, it's the Hulk from The Realist. Is a great build. Non-Debrid friendly as well. And I think it started off when I was interested in these skins from Reacher. Because at the time we were all watching TV show. This one from the same builder as the Hulk. Then we got BK Media from Doomsday, Big Kev. New one. I like what he's done with the sub menu. He sort of like did sort of a heading underneath in, like I say, the red color with some dash arrow, and it gives you a list of other stuff that's going ahead or what you can select. I like that. And then last but not least, we've got Rambo. And this guy, I don't know, he's a pretty short guy, isn't it? So he's very, very short. But the unique thing about this build is that you've not only got Rambo, you've got Chuck Norris. There's a picture of Chuck Norris in there. And who's the other guy? I don't know if it's Commando or Predator, but it's Arnold Schwarzenegger from back in the 80s. I'm hoping it's Commando. And I've not seen that film. I think I've last seen it on VHS, and that was years ago. I know Predator is more of a character in Predator, but he's styling Commando. Come on, he was proper ruthless. Anyway, that's that. That's my roundup on this. A number of builds using this skin. There are others. There's one called, I don't want to say the name because YouTube always gets me. It begins with S and it's called Squad. So it's after a DC movie. I did a video about that already. So you can always check in my video links or whatever. And I've sort of done that. But there you go. And basically, this skin is just like a one-page skin. Nice. You can say clean. You can select stuff when you go up and down on the main menu on the left. It does open up into some sort of like where you can see a list of stuff. There's no sort of like widgets, so to speak, but hey, it is what it is. And there you go. All right then, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, and if you want a 64-bit version, because I think these are all 32-bit versions, just let me know and I'll see what I can do and get someone to rustle up one for you. All right, because I've got a new phone, and this bloody phone only takes 64-bit Kodi forks. Yeah. All right, so my other phone could do 32-bit, which is very common, but hey. All right, then, guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much.